That's the word. Yeah, so we finna review these Jordan 13s real quick. Hold on, let me roll up this joint. But yeah, what's up, man? How y'all been feeling? Me doing the same thing, Hey, slow motion, you know what I'm saying? Slow motion better than no motion. Like I always say, I'm gonna do it with you or without you. You hear me? And I've definitely been doing it. Unfortunately, it's been without you. But, that's why I put these little videos up so y'all can see a little something. Let me take 1 second, bring all my blessings. Yeah, so if you don't know how to roll the wood, you gotta roll it like a cone. Lick it like Smokey. Roll it like a cone. Spill drink on the carpet. Alright. Ooh. Dropped a little piece of nuggets. Yeah. So where's the box for these? Okay. So right here we got the Jordan 13 Retro. This the true red. I don't know why I thought it was the infrared. It's cool. You know what I'm saying? It's been decent. It's real comfortable. Great for the summer. It got that nice soft leather on the tongue. Soft leather around. And like I say, it fits lovely. Go find you a nice little some Jordan apparel, throw it on. D-so. Got the little fiber bottom. Let me see. I think I done wore masks for about 3 days now. Just to get a little feel for them. They was cool. Can't complain. And yeah. So that's that. Yeah, that's that. Take 1 second, ain't out of luck, and look at my blessings. Yeah, it's slight, some slight. Yeah, so let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna put some more videos up. This one kind of ghetto, but it's okay. We was on the rush. Trying to get these out to you before they come out. Holla at your boy. Spill drink on the carpet.